Hey, welcome back to 1 Minute Excel. Tonight we're going to look at an if-and formula. We can use it to derive the true or false statement we're looking for an answer to, and where the if formula would only allow you to pick one statement to get a true or false, combining with an and will allow you to pick multiple statements, and if they're all true you then get one true, whereas if any of them are off you would then get a false. Using an example here we can see the benefits. So for just using an if formula, we would say equals if, and in this case, in this example, we're going to look at age, and we're going to say the cell over here, hit F4 3 times, that'll lock it. If it's greater than equals to 18, what do we want our true to be? We're going to just open quotation marks and type in yes. And if it's false, we're just going to say no. Keep it nice and simple. Close parentheses, hit enter. We can copy those down. So you can see it's just saying that if they're older than 18, yes or no. But with an if and, it's a little bit more granular and detailed. So we can say if, and now instead of going into the statement, we're going to actually use the and jump straight across. And now you use the same criteria for the first piece. So we're going to say if this cell, lock it, hit F4 3 times. If it's greater than equals to 18, but now we're going to say comma, and we're going to give a second criteria. So in this case, we're going to say, are they registered to vote? Select this cell, hit F4 3 times, and now we're going to type out yes. Are they registered to vote? And you can now close your and statement, hit comma, and you see it actually jumps back to the if statement. So if the combination of those is correct, we're going to say yes, and if not, we're going to type out no. Close parentheses. This is your if and statement. And as you can see, it's a little more granular, it offers a lot more detail.